Hello everyone, in front of the screen. Today I will explain to you the grid cable tray and it will demonstrate a series of ways to use the grid bridge. I believe there are many people who do not understand what a cable tray is. What is a grid cable tray? What is the connection between the two? Today we will answer them one by one. First of all, what is a cable tray? What is it used for? What about the cable tray? It's actually an enclosure that protects the cable, just like a phone case protects your phone. The grid cable tray is an upgraded product to further optimize the drawbacks of conventional trays. For example, most conventional cable trays are made of galvanized steel and stainless steel. The weight is relatively heavy. Prolonged use may place greater pressure on the support structure due to weight issues. The space is also relatively closed. Heat dissipation is poor, affect the lifespan of the cable. Installation is also more complicated. You also need to open the cover when trimming the circuit. This is very inconvenient to operate. The weight of the grid tray is about 1/5 of that of the ordinary cable tray. Open grid design. Air circulation is good. Fast heat dissipation, effectively reducing cable temperature. Extend lifespan. It is more suitable for areas with high fever, and it's easy to install. Elbows and T can also be made on site. Can save a lot of time and cost, and it can be seen at a glance when the cable needs to be repaired. Quickly resolve the issue. So what's next? I'm going to show you how to connect the grid bridge, how to quickly turn the grid bridge into a bend. This process is also very interesting. You can see that the grid cable tray doesn't seem to be as strong as the conventional cable tray, but it's actually very sturdy. People have no problem standing up. So what's next? We will demonstrate the connection of grid trays and the operation of making elbows. So first of all, we use our connectors, attach the screw card at the connection, It was also very simple and very strong. Next, we will show how to make an elbow. Now we will show how the tea is made. Okay, on-screen audience. That's it for today's explanation video of our grid cable tray. See you next time. Bye.